Looking for the ultimate gardening glove that combines strength, durability, and comfort? Meet the Ouchie Medium Protective Gardening Glove. Crafted from high-quality leather, these gloves are designed to withstand abrasions and punctures, ensuring your hands remain protected during pruning, weeding, and other garden tasks. The adjustable cuffs not only provide a snug fit for both men and women, but also extend to shield your forearms from thorns and debris. Whether you're tackling roses, blackberries, or cacti, these gloves offer reliable protection without compromising on flexibility. What sets these gloves apart is their ergonomic design, featuring breathable cuffs that keep your hands cool while safeguarding against rose thorns and pine needles. The medium size fits comfortably and securely, catering to various arm sizes without letting dirt and debris seep through. Ideal for all types of gardening operations, from mowing to branch cleaning, these gloves are a versatile companion for any outdoor enthusiast. With its sturdy build and multi-purpose functionality, the Ouchie Gardening Glove is a must-have for every gardener's toolkit. Whether you're a novice or seasoned gardener, these gloves promise to enhance your gardening experience by offering unparalleled protection and comfort. Invest in the Ouchie Medium Protective Gardening Glove and transform your gardening sessions into a safer, more enjoyable activity.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.